of this project is to detect the thief by using PIR sensor.
Here we use PIR sensor, transistor, switch, battery holder, battery, buzzer, jumper wires, glue gun switch.
Of this project is here we use PIR sensor. This PIR sensor can detect the motion. We also call this PIR sensor as motion sensor. This sensor will detect the motion of any person and it will send the information to the buzzer. Then the buzzer will give beep sound. At the time we can become alert and we can find the thief easily.
Control robberies by using this project.
The applications of this project are, this project can be used in museums, household works, banks and other valuable items. To protect valuable items also we can use this project like money, other jewelries, diamonds, and also in museums the antiques will be to protect them from people. We can use this project, and also in some restricted areas we can use this project to control the people to touch the articles. Working model of this project is here when a person go from this sensor, the sensor will sense and it will give a buzzer sound. We can adjust here, we can adjust the sensitivity of the buzzer, we can adjust the time period of this buzzer, delay of this buzzer. Also to this buzzer can sense distance according to our favorabilities. So finally I conclude by saying that this project can be used to control robberies.
Thank you, Atal. Thanks for teachers for giving this opportunity.
Thank you to our school management. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.